Jump, jump, jump. I get up. Nothing gets me down. Oh, like the stock today. DDD. It got up. Nothing got it down. Let me show you what's happening here on the Mojo Show with some incredible stock trading today. So, welcome everybody to the MOJO Day Trading Show. My name is Pro Trader Mike. I'm founder of MOJO Day Trading. Nice to see you all today. Just got everything on here. Got a little mess going on because I just been so busy with everything. But it's good. We had a DDD today, throwing dollar bills, y'all, dollars and tens and 20s at you all day long. Woo. All day, all morning long. All morning long. Now we're in TVIX right here. Got 2,000 shares of TVIX right now at, got two stocks actually. I have 2,000 shares of TVIX right down here at 30.71. I've already made $575 on it. I have a little bit more to buy on it. I'm waiting for it to firm up on another green candle right here, and I'm going to add, and it's going to come back right back up into this green candle, which will be a nice profit for me. I have it at 30.71. And have a little CNDT, this other one right here, 1979 by 80, looking for it to go to $20 like a magnet. And I'll show you what we did here trading in the Mojo Day Trade room today. Again, we have all these free guys in here that I kicked out yesterday, but a couple of them are back, whatever. Show you what went on right here with the trading. It was pretty good today. We traded one stock. Show you. So I'm going to go through the trading and then I'll go on the chat and we'll do a little chitty chatter, answer some of your chats. Who's there today? Mike, what's up? Alan, how you doing? Nice to see you. So we started this morning. I didn't come in till after 9:21. This is the morning routine. A lot of people use these Trade Ideas scanner and these other scanners from these companies, but they're getting paid by those companies to push out that product. And I feel my scanning abilities and how I pick my stocks are better. They didn't pick DDD this morning. Didn't come up on any of those scanners. Exactly. You want to know how I got the DDD? Because everybody's in these schlub rooms from these other trading moderators, and they're delivering you the same shit that everyone else is getting when there's no liquidity on it. And it's all small scale gaps up 5% that just don't work. So I think this is like Bitcoin right here. You see how this thing started off like at a nickel and then it went to like 1,000. Then this bar's 5,000, 10,000, 19,000. Then it does a serious correction and hangs out at 12. And then here's like, it goes up again, and then here's 7. And now we're going to take a gap down right here. This is where we're at right now. We're going to take a gap down and go down to 5, and then probably go down to 3,000 on Bitcoin, and then have it move back up. Because in retrospect, people that make an investment in a stock and it goes from here to here, that took a quite considerable amount of time, however long that was. So if you owned it at 10 cents and it went to 19,000, you made a good profit. Even if you bought it at 1,000 and it went to 19 and it comes all the way down to 3,000, you're still up 2,000 points. Depending upon where you got in, hope you didn't get in up here, then it sucks. But if you're getting in down here and trading where it is now, it's actually really good opportunity. Really, really good opportunity. Same thing with the mining. If you're getting into the mining as a hobby, it sucks because it's not profitable. You're just paying the bills. But if you're mining to hold, it's a completely different story. See, right now, these are the miners. Here's my mining. I haven't gone. I'm still at 4,000, still about 4,500 average hash right here. You could see on a daily basis. I'm just up and down, but I'm getting paid right here. 0.2 Ethereum almost 3 times a day now. So when the mining goes down, you're able to mine more of the coins. So if you come over here to the Ethereum calculator on what to mine, and you come down to Ethereum, and you put in 5,000, calculate, you're making 10.55 Ethereum a month, 128 Ethereum for the year. So it says 46,000 profit for Ethereum. However, that's at today's price of 360 and change. Ethereum and this market in 2019, the stock market corrects, because it's going to. Go and live in a community where it's like dry. The lakes will go all the way down, and they'll be like, damn, where's all the water? It's so dry. And it lasts for so long. Then all of a sudden, a big tsunami rain comes for like 3 days, and it fills it all back up. You're like, whoa. Now it's at the tip. Same thing with the stock market, guys. I've been doing this for 25 years. In the last 2 years, even 12 months, hundreds of gurus and day trading rooms have popped up because anybody can close their eyes and throw a dart and say, look, I'm the hero. Wait till the market goes down 172 days in a row. Then what are you going to do? The Trade Ideas Scanner and these other ones are garbage. You need a profit system that's based on positive expectancy that throws $10 bills at you all day, $20 bills, $100 bills. So 128 Ethereum and 10 Ethereum's nice. Ethereum at 1,000, I'll hold these 10 coins, is 10,000 a month. This is 128,000 a year just on 1,000 Ethereum. I think Ethereum goes to 2,000. I want to hold these 10 coins. That's what Ethereum's not going proof of stake till well into 2019. And I'm going to increase this hash rate. Tomorrow, I'm getting more card to 7,000. I'm going to go to 14 Ethereum a month. 179 Ethereum a year. I'll take that, no doubt, and I'll sit on that. Just like a stock. Stock, you buy it, it goes down. What do? You sit on it. You don't sell it. It's down. I'm sitting on the coins. I'm not selling it. It's a bargain because the equipment's getting cheap and new equipment's coming out. People are like, oh, I'm going to get the new equipment and I'm going to pay nominal dollar, 700 a card, 800 a card. When the new cards come out, they're all going to be well over $1,000 to $1,200. All the cards that are on sale now are going to be off sale and go back up in price because they're only on sale because the new cards are coming out. And people aren't buying the old ones because they're waiting for the new ones. But when it comes out at $700, but you can only buy one, and then it's sold out, and you got to go to eBay or Amazon, and they hiked up the price to $1,300. We'll see what happens. That's why it's a great opportunity to buy some cards now. And if you go on Amazon, you could see. Look, I'm getting some orders coming. I'm getting some white tape. I'm getting 4 EVGA 1,000 power supplies on the way for my 1080s. There you go, 1070 Ti right here. Look at this. 424, 469, 409, 419 for the 10. That's a 1070. But you go right here to this. Look at this, the AMD RX 580, because it gets 30th. Look, $259, $299. You can build a 7 GPU rig, 259 times 7. They're 8 gigabyte cards. They get the same as that other card that I just showed you right here. This card, 8 gigs, and this card, get the same exact money coming out of it. Which one you want to buy? So 259 right there is 1,800 plus another G-bone on top of that. I'm building a rig for 2,800 right now. I'm gonna order right there. I want to order like 1,000 of them now, and then I can resell them in 5 months for $459, $359. So I can make $100 a card. Divided by 259 is 38% on my money. 38% on my money. Look at these babies. 249. Look at that. These are the cards. Look at this, dude. I'm telling you, that's the shit. Just like with the stocks. So these other rooms, like my competition, and which is everyone out there, they're all unable this morning. So that's where he is too. His eyes are on YouTube and Twitter and watching all these guys, because I saw what went on this morning. Intel's $49.99. It's been a Heinz 50. But it came from 50. Look at that move on Intel. TVIX, I own at 71. I'm down 264. CNDT, I'm down 45. Hasn't done anything with those picks yet. OPRX is at 12. Only traded 88,000, but it's got 25-cent spread. And Able 655. This morning it opened up right here, went to a high of 560 and came down to stopping station. Watch this. 510 and 512. Watch my memory. The first one is 512. The second one is 510. Damn, the first one's 510. The next one's 512. I only looked at it once, and it was only one stock, quickly. So I wanted to see where they got burned this morning from the top of 560 all the way down to 512 twice. Took their stock right there, and then Mojo came in right here at 530 and rode that sucker up to $7. One trade, that's it. Didn't want it this morning because everyone was in it, and I wanted these guys to get burned in it. Whoever was doing it from another room or whatever it was going to get burned, and I was going to take your loss. So instead we did DDD at 1625. Mark it down. Every single trader with my profit system could have bought between 100 shares for $1,600 to 1,000 shares for $16,000 because they supply leverage in day trading. All my traders trade with some sort of margin or leverage. And I'm giving a webinar in the next several days on a new program where you're going to be able to get the education, training, skills, and trading account you need to take your trading to the next level. So continuing to go over the trade, that's your entry where I just told you to buy DDD. Only trade what Mike trades. And you all want to know, how did I get DDD? Stay on the reservation. Mojo trades, we're ready to go. It's 9:26. Here we go. You ready? ETM is going to go to $8.40. We're going to buy it under $8. Watch. ETM, see the signal at 840? It's 790. It's going to go to 840. And it did. SBBR through 580. These are the ones that I'm looking at. The market hasn't opened yet. We haven't traded yet. You ready? 30 seconds. We're going to do entry number 1 lower than 8. Waiting on number 2 to 50, 51, and if higher, 811. I got to do some TV. Right off 51 stopping station. I think I just got filled on 500, a 300, and a 200, I think. Did I get filled? Yep, 2,500 shares. Oh, there it is. 300. They filled me in between. Beautiful. OPRX, 1195 by 12 now. So we did the entry, and then DDD was my, that's the one. I had on DDD through Mini Hines 1650. It's one of my patented trade plays. I've already taken a little bit of profit, only $300, but I'm down 6, and it's at 1650. Hasn't made its real big move yet. ETM, I got an entry at 508, and SBBP, I have an entry, 2 of them at 547 to go through 50, and TVIX 500 at 3158. That's how we started the day right here, basically about even, and it's 933, but we're coming in for the score on DDD. DDD is moving. I'm selling some right here. I'm up $1,200. I sold 2,000. And then I tell you right now, I got another 1,000 was selling right now. So we're locking in the profits. Everything else is doing nothing. And I'm telling everyone selling another 1,000 shares at 934. Putting up a screenshot of it, you can't miss. It's an incredible profit system that anyone can follow. Even an 8-year-old kid that made $144,000 following these picks in the room. Amazing. Couldn't keep it, but he did it. TVIX add. I have $1,500 left, $1,400 in profit, and or $140. Intel just Hines 50. Look, told you. Now, that's number 7,892 in a row. Coming up on Hines number, and here OPRX just Hines 12 by 1205. It's another one. Every single Hines pick, my profit system that I've put out for the last 5 years has won 100% of the time. If you don't believe me, I dare you to come try and join my room in my service and do a Hines trade that I call that you don't make money on. If that happens, I'll refund you back. And you can leave the room. Done. I've never had a trade not work. You won't be the first. No matter how bad you think your misfortune is or your bad luck, you will not make it happen. If you're a mad trader, I think you should come to the MOJO room because it's time for the next step for you. Here goes TVIX, guys. Here it goes. I got 2,500. I'm down $89. Here it goes. Get ready. There's your green bar right here. I'm moving it over to my screen right over there. Look, here's your green bar. See it? 30.66. I'm up $11. See it? 2,500 shares. There you go, live. Get ready. We're going to start to take some profits on 500. Coming up maybe $50, $100 up. 74.79 on the first two. Here we go. I don't want to lose money on the trade. That's all. I was down. So I scaled in nicely. It went a little lower than I expected, but I'm not losing anything on it. down $39. We'll see him rip that 70 right there. And CNDT, no harm, no foul. See that one? 200 down 40, that's nothing. It's a win. So I got 1,500 left out of the 5,000. And it's going through 17. So we're going to hold it. Got 1,000 left. Made up $1,700. Sold 500 right here. Great call. Then I got 200 left. TVIX is going through 31.50 down $65. We're going to add. TVIX, DDD, got 100 left. Made $1,700 on DDD. Rebuying TVIX for a new trade at 31.35. Down 172, down 267. Here goes ETM to 825. It did do that. DDD, a new high with 100 left. And here's the DDD. On the 1 minute straight up. I haven't switched to the 15-minute chart to stay in the rest. Excellent pick. DDD, I'm flat $1,766 and or $17,666 or $176.60.
Yes.
The percentages remain exactly the same no matter what size trader you are on the team, because the stock has traded DDD 10 million shares. You have no effect on it. We have no effect on it. It's just winning. Flat rail grind, amazing. DDD was awesome. Nasty move on that sucker right here. I picked it right here at 16, sold it at 17.60 for a $1.40 move. ETM up 350. It's moving to the 825 where I told you it was going to be. Nice patience on ETM, paying like an ATM. Ketchup always flows on the Heinz. It never fails. There's the Cupid top timing on DDD at 1730. Awesome trade. He made a cool 895 on ETM. For all others in the other rooms that are playing the awful picks, we don't feel bad for you.
Well, yes. Yeah.
Mojo's the best. We love the patience, and the crystal ball works every time. So this is what happened with Abel on those first two. I told you 510 and 512 because I looked at it once and showed you how it popped up. The other rooms were talking about it. Came down to stopping stations right here where they lost their shares and got stopped out from stop losses being put in the system physically. They took those shares and bought them up in price. So I told everyone to buy right here at 534. Because they're going to take your shares and they're going to spit on you. They're going to go, and you're going to be like, holy crap. I bought it 550, 560. It came down to 510. Can't stand the 50-cent loss. Ross was wrong. The other people were wrong that front run and called it. And I'm going to have to take a loss. So I called the buy at 534. 534 on the third green bar on Abel. Look. So let's go to the third green bar. You got sucked out right here. Right there. There's the green bar. Bought at 534. Stock ran to 699. Straight up without stopping. Right there. Suck asses. Anyone in the other room that got sucked out, you're a suck ass. Abel was not the play in the beginning. It was the play then. Just follow my picks. It's that simple. $2,290 done in the bank. ETM up 262. TVIX down 358 as I am now on 2,500 shares. 31.27 average on TVIX. Abel off the reservation. Should have bought it when I told you to. TVIX down 349. DDD still moving at 1775. ETM up 412. ETM going right where I told you, stopping for the rest at 815 and looking to go up higher. Sold it all right there and got some coffee. Beautiful trading on the day for the team. DDD, and I got 7,000 TVIX right now, where I could buy more. I'm only down 164. I really can't lower my cost basis right now from 67, where it is. So I'm just waiting. And down 319. And then DDD made a big move. The Dow's going to go lower. TVIX is going to go higher. DDD is high of, see that 1782? Someone selling 27,900 shares. I'm up 451 on TVIX at that time. It's going to go through 1782 in 2 seconds. Watch. See? 279, 197, boom, gone. In the same minute, 958. Okay? Gone, 1788. See that? Big, big move. It's so beautiful. We're up $3,000 on the day now. TVIX went from red to now green. Break time. Here comes Abel. Nowhere. Abel's done. This is from other trading rooms that people are stuck. So for the day, and he said, look, here comes Abel. I said to him, here comes what, where, and why? How can you put that out in the room? He says, oh, I owned it at 511, bought pre-market. Well, we didn't trade it or buy it. It's from another room, and you're off the reservation. I don't even want to hear it. From what room did you buy that? What does it mean? You're bragging that you're in my room. I didn't put it out. You're bragging that you did it from another room like that. What is that? Not from this room. If I say we're not going to trade Abel, then why would you keep on putting it in our chat when we're trading DDD and TVIX? I mentioned that at least 3 times. It's not the stock we're going to trade today, as the other rooms are all trading it, and I don't need to be these type of bad account-busting picks. When I pick DDD, how many shares of DDD did you get? Answer, none. He's off the reservation. This guy's. Pro Trader Loco. So TVIX got 1,000 right there. DDD made $132. Elena, brand new, just taking Mojo University and finishing it up. Brand new to the room. Great job. DDD 132. Normally that'd be 1,320, $20,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? So I just got filled on 500. There I am, fifth right there. I should be at 3,000 TVIX. Beautiful. All right. So then stop looking at the others. See, I made 132. Not a lot, but I made my goal. It is a lot. Stop looking at other people's trading, what I'm putting up in the room. Do your own thing. If it's good for you, it's great. Definitely. NVCN is not a good trade. It's a fold. It's an 041. It's too much of a penny stock. Most people are on a per share basis, so we can't even buy the stock. And you know that, Barney, because you're taking Mojo U right now, I think. What a pick on the road, DDD. DDD is almost 18 now. DDD is going through 18, and I cracked $3 grand on the day. Here's DDD at 18. Going to go through 18. It's called the Heinz Trade Play. It's up $4.38. It's got 4,200 at the ask at 18, 2,100 on the ask at 98. Within 1 minute, it's going through 18. There it is at 18 with a wall of stock. Any trader, you line up 1,000 of them, they all teach that's a short. To sell it, get out of the way, it's going to go lower. And if you did that at 10:09:19 and shorted that thing because it came from 16, boom, 18:04, boom, 18:10. Never misses. Boom, boom, boom. Biggest winner of the day. Okay? 1849. You're down 50 cents in 2 minutes shorting that against me and or shorting. It won't stop. It's going to go higher. This is the pain that you're feeling with my DDD pick. How did I know? Well, it traded a green giant Hulk combination on the first green bar of 1.2 million shares. I knew exactly what it was going to be doing for the day. Solid 1 hour of trading. We're still in a 15-minute rail grind on 1853 going in. I think it went to 1879, if I'm not mistaken. DDD 1870. Rail grind's amazing. I'm doing my Mojo show. TVIX, new trade, 3106, entry number 1. Easy trade it's going to be. Adding right here, 3080, which I'm in right now, 3,000 shares, down $469. See that? I got 7,000, I got 4 more thousand to buy. Just like that. See that? Beautiful. Come on down below 50. Thank you. Come on down. I think I just got filled. 200. Yep, 3,200. These are just little taps. Little tiny taps. That's what they are. Let me see the other one. CNDT down 59. 1950 by 52. I own it at 79 with the entry. We're just going to sell that. I don't even want to deal with that. So I'm going to get that up for sale. Put it up at 59. Go back to TV. IX 3050 by 53. Yeah, it's nice. DWT did good today. It's gone up like 70 cents straight up. Look at that. Beautiful. It's in like a crazy 10% breakout zone on inverse oil. See this? ETFs, DWT, Velocity Shares, Drexion, TVIX, Velocity Shares, UVXY. This is what Drexion has for an application in for Bitcoin. It's SC. I'll show you the law that they're going over, September 27th. It's right here. Securities and Exchange Commission. Here's the decision. On June 20th, the Federal Reserve proposed a rule change to list trade shares on Solid Bitcoin by Van Eck, Solid Bitcoin Trust. They're going to make it a $200,000 a share to keep the big boys in it. According to the Commission, it designates September 30th as the date by which the Commission shall either approve, disapprove, or institute proceedings to determine whether to disapprove the proposed rule change, SR. I'll show you the rule. Bitcoin ETF, SEC rule. Right here. So you could see right here. Let's get there we go. So you could see right here The SEC has announced a statement that it will delay a ruling on whether or not to give approval to a rule change relating to 5 Bitcoin ETF applications by fund provider Drexion. The ETFs in question are the Bitcoin Bear one-time shares, the daily Bitcoin 1.25 bulls, the 1.5 bulls, and the 2 times bull, and the 2 times bear. So you'll be able to trade the bear shares if Bitcoin's going down and the bull shares if Bitcoin's going up with leverage of 1 time. So it'll move one for 1 for 2.5, 1.5 times the amount, or 2 times the amount. According to the SEC, and ARCA submitted a proposed rule which would permit listing and trading of shares of the ETFs under ARCA Rule 8200E. In response, the SEC indicated it would need more time to study and analyze the proposed changes to make sure that it's in line with the standards. Assistant Secretary Eduardo Aldo, on behalf of Section the Commission noted that it's going to do it to prolong a period to issue approving and disapproving rule change. And that's that. Let me show you the comments. Look at this. This is it. Comments on the BZZ rulemaking. These are all the people that made comments. Look at all these people. They're all into it, dude. They all want Bitcoin. They all want it, like August 1st. I'm serious, bro. Pass the proposal. Pull up the cryptocurrency price. Let the blockchain change the world. Let the stupid money policymakers from China's land shiver and slap the thigh. What the hell ever that means. Stephen Shen, please approve CBO of Bitcoin. Thank you. They're doing pop-ups. Let's see. This guy, attorney. Yes, we are believers. We believe that cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin here stands as representative for the whole development, will play a major role in everybody's life, if not so far future. Supporting financial education, we believe this ETF, as of its first kind, encourages people to put their feet into new territories without fear. And we believe power of personal responsibility and so strongly demand that you classify this BTC as soon as possible. It's going to regulate and put everything in control, man. It's the first step. Anonymous. Ooh, I'm in support. Let's see. Information. This guy's a PhD in information technology. Coming to another design decision date brings me to comment on why this space will move forward in regards to Bitcoin. Regardless of investor trading, the price of BTC is suppressed as it's because of sheer supply and demand, is what I said. There's more supply from the miners going in, selling to keep alive, than demand or any of the whales coming in. They're just circling the pot. The methods of the general public to buy and invest use Bitcoin payments easily becoming easier, mistaking the future payments in this space for mass education. The SEC needs to tell people its benefits. Bitcoin is granddad for the crypto space and the new digital gold. I agree 100%. It's not a threat to the banks, as it could facilitate crypto payment, to hot wallets for consumers to hold. I agree a million percent. Absolutely. PhD. Look at all these people, man. They all want it, dudes. Position. I strongly support the proposal of Bitcoin. It's the wave of the future. It's not going away. The widespread use of the internet will ensure this. Those who understand and embrace this will be the biggest winners in the space. By allowing ETF from the CBO, it would bring institutional investors who would bring huge value to Bitcoin ecosystem. The ecosystem will adapt, increase interest, and be strengthened as improved as the result needed for something to be safe, which still holds value. This would help millions of people who lost so much of their savings when Bitcoin went down in the beginning of 2018. I believe people who live in this world need some reassurance that our ability to store our hard work in something of value, which can be used as a currency, which all around the world, Bitcoin can be a decentralized ledger in order to be no one person can dominate and control supply, as its value is done with fiat currency. You cannot keep printing money whenever you need to pay bills like most governments do. Printing fiat will fail eventually, as government-sponsored fiat has done in the past. The savings in peer-to-peer transactions for regular people would allow money to stay in the pockets and actually work to earn money instead of third-party clearinghouses like banks and credit processors. Please be the regulator who sees the regular people in the world besides the lots and lots of money. Bring the ecosystem of the Bitcoin exchanges and the ETF and watch the miracle of the internet and blockchain technology mature into something great. I love that. It's a great one, dude. Thank you, doctor. See all these people, man. Every one of them are in favor of the Bitcoin. Look, it doesn't stop. I read these when they first started. There's a lot of them. A lot of them. Yeah, it's Halloween. I got some others. I could be this guy if you like. If you like him, Hellboy. Be like Hellboy. I could be like Hellboy, or if you don't like him, I can be like Hannibal Lecter. Halloween time. I'm Hannibal Lecter. That's another cool one. If you don't like Hannibal Lecter, I can be a cute little kitty cat. But I don't like those. Be a witch for Halloween. See that? The webcams are cool, right? But I like being an artificial intelligence. I am a computer. I'm a not real person. Pro Trader Mike is not real as a fake. It's really artificial intelligence computer. He just showed you. Oh no. Oh no. Isn't that cool? Down $500 on TVIX. That's not cool. That ain't cool. That ain't cool. Oh, Able 670, man. Able 670. Crazy. Here goes TV down 277. Here comes the TVIX down 312. $58. I just bought 500. Yep. At 4,000 at 63. Took a loss on CDNT at $85. Baby's gonna be on fire, man. Here it goes. Check it out. Down 177. UV 815, 3060. Dow's down 31. All right, so this was the continuation on in the room from what went on, and that's pretty much it where we are for today. SGYP Heinz one is not Heinz. That's not correct. Not correct. It's a mistake. Journal it. Part of my profit system. Journaling. Everyone's got a system now, guys. Take a look on the internet. Everyone's changing their tune from strategies to systems. I've been preaching that shit for freaking years. Only ones are listening are my competition, not people. Ah, that's clearer. SGYP is not a Heinz, my trader friend. Why? Why? Why is it not Mr. Heinz? Come on, TV. Down 57 on TV. Barney. Hey, Barney. Why isn't the, is he even in here? No, he ain't even connected. How come no traders are connected? I have a setting for live stock chat. No, they can connect. How come no traders? Isn't that weird? Look, no traders are connected, only pros. How come? Why is that? Room be dead again. $65 on TV. Someone test out that super chat. Pro Trader Mar, does that super chat work? Alan, does that super chat work? Up 143 on TVIX. Up 263 on TVIX. So, how come you haven't used it? That would be nice. Here's 75. Up 287.50. Sold 1,000. It don't work. That super chat doesn't work. Up 347.25. $379. Selling right here. Beautiful, beautiful. Sold 500 right here. 3,879, up 389, up 414. Selling another 500. Sold 500 more. Up 1,200 now on this trade. 2,000 shares left. Sold another 500. 1,500 left. Great trade. Does it work? I didn't see. How come I don't see that? It looks like it worked. I didn't get nothing. Let me look at the super chat on this page. No super chat members yet. It says nothing. Did it work? You paid me something? You could pay me $1, $2, $10. I saw this kid making hundreds of dollars last night. Alan, does it work? Gerardo? Abel, 785. See it? Amazing, right? Squeezing people again. I didn't see nothing. Didn't come in as something and say, oh, I got like, I saw it on these guys. It says no super chat. Nice job on TVIX. Have to have a credit card. Yeah, you have to have, like, it's with Google and stuff, or wherever you have your wallet online. You need to add it in there and get it done. It's the future. You can pay me $1. You can do 99 cents, $2. Kid made $100 left, $200 last night. People were throwing him $10 bills left and right. See? Pro Trader Kenny appreciates me. Appreciates me. Thank you, buddy. Look, Carol sent me $1. My first one. Oh! Sweet. Thank you. I'm so happy. It's like $1 million to me. Oh, sick. Thank you. Thank you. Carol hooks me up with $1. Look at that, folks. I got $1 from Carol. Isn't that cool? Sweet. How come the traders aren't in the room? Where are they? Dude, that was sweet. Thanks, Carol. That's sweet. Who else hooking me up for all my good teaching and advice? Who got me going? Oh, yeah, because it may be in the room. Maybe it's on in the room and you're hearing me. Sweet. Customers. She filled my tip jar. Alan, $5, baby. Yeah, kid. Sick. Look at that, guys. It works. How sweet is that? Look at the smile on my face. I can make $1,000 trading, $2 grand. I've been doing it for 20 years. It's like, okay. $5, baby. Yeah, give me a tuggy. You need some change? You need some change? You want some change? Sweet. Mojo's on fire. Got $6. Look at that Abel, $8, killing people who are short that stock right now. Because there's no one long. They're only short. That's a firm at 807, bought in. You just got bought in. That's the reverse of an auto close. Right up here at 812, you got bought in. That was sick. So I'm only up $5 now on the rest of the TV. Hope it stays up here. I'm down $4 now, but I was up nicely. You see that? I had a couple thousand shares. Thanks for the tip, man. Appreciate it, bro. I have to figure out where that went to now. I tipping people on their super chat. I gave Brandon Coin some cash. Technicals. All those guys. I hope they wish they would come to my show. I go to their show. Like, yo, I won't watch your show. You can come watch my show. See this alarm pick? Up 14.3%. That's what I went over on Sunday night. That Buffett owns in his portfolio, dude. Buffett's up 14.3% right now. Amazing. Thanks for the $5, Alan. Thanks, Carol, for the $1. Sweet. Mike, $5, baby. Yeah, that's the mode. Now I love doing the Mojo show. Thanks, Killadilla. Let's see what I could teach. See, now I'm like a pole dancer. I'm like the chick. And I've been doing it without money for so long. Now putting some freaking dollars in my drawers. Watch me go, baby. Look at that, homie. Watch me go now. TVIX be ripping now, up a hunch, a hundo, up a hundo on the TV. Just sold some. They took it like butter. 500 TVIX left in the kittle. Up a G-bone. There's an app when you get tipped on the super chat. It can flash your screen during the show with a. There is. Where is that? I got that. Super chat. Let me go to advanced settings. Where do you see that? Where is that button? I got some ads going about that. I don't see where it is though. There's an app for when you get tipped on the super chat. I don't see where that app is. Weird. Don't see it. Maybe you can help me out with that. I could send a super chat to myself. I could send myself money. That's funny. I could send myself some money. I'm up 82 bucks on 100 bucks. Look at the TV. Damn, I'm good, man. See that? I saw 200. Yeah, there it is. 84, 85 now. 300 TV left. Oh, that's a good day. Find me that app, dude. I want that GIF. Where's that app? I'll Google it. Find it. Super chat. Fans can purchase super chats to highlight messages. It says. It says super chats stand out. People make a purchase. Select pin stays as a pin sticker depending upon the amount selected. The color your super stays pin. Maximum length. So you send $5. Beautiful. That's what they did. I love that. Love that. Love that. Make the purchase. You can purchase from YouTube or YouTube Gaming. Creator revenue may vary. Note your super chat icon Perfect visible to the public. A countdown ticker displays. View super chats. Manage super chat. I don't see it. Oh well. I don't see it. Heinz date. What's it? Label. Yeah, Heinz date. Dude, Mike gave me money. Alan gave me some money. Carol gave me some money. What love. Thank you so much. Up $19 on that last 300. All right, I think we can end the show and did real good today with the trading. Did good. We did good. All right. So let's move this away and close her down. We did 34.97 on the day. Lost 85 on CNDT. Triple D was the big one. Come up over here to my profit album. Where are all the traders today? Do I have a setting that's off or something? Where's all the traders today? How come only pros are up here? There's not one trader. Is there a setting? There must be a setting. What's something going on? Oh, there's only 4 of them here. Brandon's one of them. He ain't even around. Let's see this guy. Message. Hi. How do you like the trading room? Let's see. BB Basic. Never seen him before. Chief's going to sign up for my webinar. I'm doing the webinar. He's going to sign up. Grabby, I showed him a $10,000 gain before. And he doesn't answer. See this guy? Clem. Oh, I showed him a lot of gains before. Welcome to the room. I showed him a $3,900 gain. Solid, he says. I'm starting my journey collecting information. So then I showed him another gain of 10,000, and he's going to be gone. So Clem. Kicked. Grabby George. $83 on TVIX. JP Trading 10. Shady. Cree's moving again through 50. Juan F. Never here before. Oh yeah, he was here. $10,000 day. I showed him before. I'll give him one more chance. Hello? Hold on a second. Amazing. People are amazing. Just like these people. Ignorant. Ignorant. I'll just call them ignoramus. Ignorance. It's like going into a hotel and they have a casino and you're freaking in the lobby, but you're a gambler. And everyone in the casino is making a ton of freaking cash and you're freaking in the lobby. And they're freaking tapping you. The maitre d's coming out and he's like, yo, how you doing? How do you like the casino? And everyone making money. It's like a rigged casino for the player. And you're like out of tune. It's the freaking craziest thing I ever seen. This guy showed him $8 grand. How many times are you going to come without joining? I'm going to boot his ass, Mark Glenn. See, that's rude, and he never even answers, man. Why keep on coming back here? Next time I'm going to ban him so he can never, ever, ever come back. Mr. Folgers drinks a lot of coffee. How do you like the room? Bobo. My boy. He's in a cage. He likes going in the cage. He just likes going in there now. Bobo. Look. He's just sitting in the cage. And then he's on the floor. My boy. All right, so that's that guy right there. Do you see that they're making all government officials lower? Yeah, they are, big time. Good, that's all good. Definitely. All good, man. This guy, look how many times I've told him. Oh, he's back. Purple squirrel, see you later. And next time he's done, that's it. He's going to get banned. TIC. I mean, the Holiday Inn down the road, guys. This is the Ritz-Carlton here, man. There's no toleration. All right, so I'm preparing a webinar for in the next day or so. I'm teaching MOJO University and creating a class. It's going to be 1 week long, and it's going to be in 2 weeks. I'll show you. Here's the thing right here. Look. So I'm having a webinar. It's going to be $15.50. This is going to be different. But you're going to get the online course, the level 2, and a day trading account. And I'm going to teach the course in 1 week. And that's what I'm holding the webinar for. I got a lot of people that are eager beavers wanting to get in. This online course is amazing. You can preview class 1 right here. See what it's about. Class 2, 3. You go through these 8 classes, these 6, and these, you're a master of disaster in the stock market. It's $14.97. With the fees and the account setup, it's $15.50, and you get your own trading account. So come to my webinar when I announce it, and I'll give you all the details. Show you how you can get involved with the profit system where you too can make a lot of money every day. You too can make a lot of money every single day. All right, guys, thank you for watching the show. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Thanks for the tips. Peace. Keep it profitable.